Only. Very mura. Ang brand new is 800,000. I'm the one to process the change owner. You will add for me 10,000 pesos. But if you want, you're the one to change owner in your place. Hirap mag-English. Absent ako ng English subject. So ngayong araw guys, may buyer tayo. So first transaction of the day, Suzuki Katana na 2019. Sobrang sariwa nito guys. Bagong PMS natin to. Bagong palit ng clutch lining. Kompleto na accessories. Kaya lang mapapalaban tayo English dito guys. Kasi yung buyer natin is Chinese. Sisiu. What's your name sir?
Jerry.
Jerry. So Jerry from Pampanga?
No, I'm from Subic.
Ah, Subic. So very far. Subic. Okay, check the bike sir. 17,000 kilometer odo. We have newly replaced the clutch lining. I have replaced it already. This is his manual. Also have RFID ready.
First owner?
No, I'm not the first owner. That's the brand new price. Brand new price is 799,000 plus the registration. That's the original owner. This is the original CR. Certificate of registration.
Renewal already? Tick year?
Oi, boy.
I think sir, it's expired registration. Like that one also versus 1,000, 3,000 odo only. Benta ko lang to sir, it's 95. Yes, sobrang mura. Tagalog pala si sir eh. Akala ko, marunong ka pala Tagalog sir eh. Konti lang Tagalog. Konti lang. Hirapan na.
It's an original?
Yes sir, it's all original. We just put slider, lights, side mirror, radiator guard I think. Oh, this one is original. I think this one is the aftermarket. It's very cheap sir. If you will not get it, there's another buyer will come today from Tarlac also. The stock parts, wala na. Stock parts, wala na. The original side mirror is here. Original side mirror. Half the price of brand new. 395 only. Very mura. Ang brand new is 800,000. Don't have stock already this one. You cannot buy Katana. Stock production already. You can buy GSX S1000. Not this style of Katana. This one is limited edition. This design of Katana.
Flat price 395.
Yes.
More discount.
5,000 less for the registration. You're the one to renew the registration. For only about 2,000 only for the renew.
You change the owner name?
The owner name, if you want, I'm the one to process the change owner. You will add for me 10,000 pesos. But if you want, you the one to change owner in your place. Kaya ba? Kaya pa ba? It will cost you around 5,000 only. Because if I am the one to bring that to the LTO, then the process very time consuming. And labor also. Hirapan ako, napapayosi ako. Hirap mag-English. Absent ako ng English subject. You live here how long?
13 years.
13 years already. Wow. That's why you understand a little bit Tagalog. Wow. Your family is here also? Chinese, Filipina?
My wife, Filipino.
Ah, Filipino wife. Okay. Sana sama mo siya dito. Ito kasi nakita niya na raw. Itong 550,000. Napuntahan niya na. Pero makinis daw sobra. Sa akin, may konting sugat daw. Pero 395. Sobrang mura. Hanggang 390 ko pabibigay. Kaya pag-iisipan niya maigi. Kasi 155,000 difference para sa maliit na gasgas. Siguro ito baka may drop dati nung sa may-ari. Pero very light lang. Ito lang oh. Hindi makita. Lulit lang. Kaya mura din ang benta natin. Kasi minsan may nakukuha rin tayo ng may konting gas maliit.
So I have the
same
model, 600cc.
Oh, the old one. The original one. This one is the new version. There's already ABS and the traction control. The old one is don't have ABS.
Anything, nothing.
Basic only, mechanical. Wow. Yun yung mga sinaunang Suzuki Katana, 600cc. Nagkaroon daw siya nun. Mura ako benta eh. If you want, I have a deal. I can give you at 380. If another buy will not get it. So, Maybe I can show this one first to him. Then if he will not get it, then I'll text you.
It's okay.
It's okay. Of course, I want to sell it in the higher price.
Yeah, may maganda price. This one is the big sukat. You need to selling lower.
That's why it's very low na already.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
150,000 discount.
No accident, you sure? No accident.
No accident. Eh, maliit na gas-gas. Ang bentahan sa marketplace, 550,000. Pinakamura. Sunod, 600,000. So ako yung pinakamura, 395,000. So maliit na gas-gas. Wala naman siya masabi. Tinesting niya. Kaya lang, gagastos siya. Tsaka rehistro, late registration. Sabi ko, mura pa rin yan. Sobrang mura. Eh, kung hindi niya kukunin, actually may isa akong buyer. 395 din. So galing Tarlac naman yun. And then,
Waiting.
oh,
Maybe 360 na.
sorry. Okay, I'll message you if the other buyer will not get it. Okay? Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, thank you. Yung lalim ng takot, 360 boy. So, tagal na dito eh. Parang 13 years pa. Sabi niya, 15 years. Tagal na dito sa Pilipinas. Magaling na tumawad.
Wala ka pala eh.
Hindi ko kaya bigay noon kasi sobrang mura nito. Although mababa ang kuha natin nito, pero syempre time consuming yan. Nagpalit tayo ng clutch lining, tapos nagpa-PMS tayo, newly change oil. So sobrang good condition ng bike. Maliit lang na gas-gas, sobra kasi maliit lang. So tawad niya malalim. Hindi ko kaya ibigay. Although pasok naman sa profit margin natin, pero masyadong mura na to para sa bentahan. Kaya so wala tayong done deal ngayon. Hindi natin bibigay sa kanya ngayon. I-message natin yung next na buyer. So pag may mga binibenta po kayo second na big bike, second na kotse, message nyo ako, send nyo saan picture, Jetlaw Rider. Pagpasok po sa budget, puntahan ko, bayaran natin. So Jetlaw Rider po ito, ride safe and God bless. Let's go. Galing ko mag-English, no?
Ang sakit sa lalamunan.